Grinders, booth 6646 at the IMTS 2012. We are proud to present to you the latest accomplishments of our engineering and application specialist team. More importantly, we are anxious to hear, what's your grinding challenge? Whether you are able to visit in person or to visit our virtual booth online, we are thankful for your interest in our equipment. Royal Master Grinders is presenting many new developments in centerless grinding capabilities. We have machines on the floor with wheels spinning, coolant flowing, and parts grinding. There is an accessory station with our take-apart machine. Come and see our interactive customer screen kiosk with video machine demos from past projects. As you approach our booth from any direction, you will find us just left of center in the north building top floor. Our diamond plate floor sets us apart from others with an image of real grinders in the real world. Here on this floor, we will talk the talk and walk the walk. So tell us, what's your grinding challenge? Let's walk through the booth together and I will show you what we have brought for you to see. Starting at the right front corner, you will see a glass display case with sample parts. On top of the case is a monitor running continuous videos of our grinders in action. From this location, you can see 6 grinders, 4 electronic gauges, and 4 automatic part loaders, 1 robot, and a hospitality station to sit and discuss what it is that brought you here. Walking around this case to the right is the traditional model TG12x4 high-accuracy centerless grinder. This machine has air-sensing single-point diamond wheel dressers, CNC ram bed positioning, and a cross-transfer part loader. Cycle times are fast and size is accurate and repeatable. When the part is finished grinding, the part is shuttled from under the wheels towards a robot, which reaches to grip the part and deliver it to the finishing station. Here the part is cleaned, gauged with a Keon's laser, and palletized into a 100-cell tray. In the center of our booth is our Bedrock Series high-accuracy grinder with CNC wheel dressing on both the work wheel and new this year on the regulating wheel too. The large machine-based platform with 8-inch thick surface plate machine bed explains the name of this new line of Royal Master Grinders. Here we demonstrate CNC wheel dressing, CNC ram bed positioning, post-process laser link Lobex lobing inspection, and two-way communication with the machine to a supervisor computer station. The SBS dynamic wheel balancer with acoustic emission sensor is provided by Schmidt Industry. Losma has provided the air mist and coolant filters. All of this grinding a very complicated part profile with an automatic part loader. Now let's head back towards the front right corner where we started and look at the through-feed micro-size grinder. This is our model TG12x4 set up to through-feed grind a single diameter rod. Typically, this is a close tolerance grind requirement. To accomplish this, but without bearing the higher cost of a CNC controlled grinder, we offer the ball screw and micro-feed sizing dial feature with option for glass scale encoder. This grinding package with a rod hopper feeder and exit side discharge with accumulation tray allows for consistent flow of parts through a rigid grind station. When the need for a size adjustment arises, simply turn the micro-size pulse generator and the ram bed advances in the finest of increments. On this machine, we have a Schmidt Industries laser-checked surface roughness gauge. From here, we walk along the cross aisle to the jobber machine. The machine gets its name because it is equipped to be low cost and fully capable of most any grind application that comes its way. It is what you would see in a centerless grind job shop. This is our TG12x4 with a servo cycle for ram bed positioning. This is convenient and accurate for both through-feed and in-feed grinding. We use a servo motor and ball screw to position the ram bed. The touchscreen operator interface can recall in-feed grind cycle parameters, make size adjustments, control part feeders, etc. The outboard V support is universal for many different part geometries. Here we use it to support a long rod while grinding a bearing journal on one end. We are presenting our automatic wheel dresser with motor-driven down feed and cross feed. Turn the corner now and walk along the back side aisle to see our Royal Master Model Gen X CNC Grinder. This machine is a departure from the traditional centerless grinder. It does not have a regulating wheel or standard work rest blade. In place of that, we use a work support and servo-driven workhead with collar. The combination of these components is more like a screw machine using a shaped grinding wheel in place of a turning insert. This machine is equipped with our CNC wheel dresser, CNC ram bed, positioning, and a CNC linear actuator for positioning the workhead. This full-function CNC grinder can receive a 3D solid model part print, translate the file, and convert to an Excel spreadsheet to create the program used by the wheel dresser and the multi-axis grinder to generate a part drawing. All of this can be viewed on screen in virtual mode before any movement occurs. The process of this program conversion and translation is all done behind the scenes. Any involvement of the operator is intuitive, and there are no G or M codes to be entered. Now that is user-friendly. Grinding technique can be profile plunge, micro machine mode, or centerless mode. Positioned next to the Gen X grinder is our part profile laser measurement gauge. This gauge is part of our Bedrock series of machines, and it's granite bed for thermal stability and rigidity. The gauging process is an automated collection of data points by pulling the part through a LaserLink brand laser micrometer head, while it is attached to a Parker high-speed linear servo motor table. The result is accurate measurements with intelligent analysis in a simple-to-use tool. Along the back of the display is a hospitality seating area and the take-apart machine and accessories table. Here we have a half-built machine with some cutaway components allowing you to see and touch some of the inner workings of our grinder. You can really get hands-on and change the components, turn them upside down, make your own setup, examine the new reg wheel servo drive system, or whatever sparks your curiosity. This is the only machine on the floor not under power and not grinding parts. After all of this virtual walking around, perhaps you would like to sit down at the hospitality station. Here we have some coffee or water and light snacks to enjoy while you rest your feet. You may want to just relax and visit for a while, or you may want to tell us something about what is on your mind. Here you can answer the question, what's your grinding challenge? As we look around the booth, we see that we have visited each of the grinders. Most of the grinders have a display monitor running a video with a story to tell of the part we are grinding. Our high-accuracy centerless grinders have a fresh new look to the operating screens. Come and see for yourself how far machine controls have come in 2012. Many of the machines have the ability to connect to the internet and allow remote monitoring, with either network cable or wireless internet connection to a PC or smartphone. The two-way communication between man and machine is made possible. The supervisor computer can access the machine's controller and operate each of the machine functions remotely. The computer can be equipped with software such as Microsoft Access Web Database to generate an Excel spreadsheet and report machine status and results. This status reporting can be sent manually or automatically, perhaps hourly, using email. By remote access, we mean to or from your shop floor desk, office computer, home computer, or smartphone anywhere in the world. Our intention for your visit to our booth this year is to enlighten you to what Royal Master Grinders has been up to hear what you have been up to, and to hopefully find that we can get together to become more productive in centerless grinding. For more information on this product and for an evaluation of how it might benefit your grind application, contact Royal Master Grinders at www.royalmaster.com.